girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Ed Sheeran here with a song called Dusty. Alright, so nice song there, and if you watch the music video, you can learn how to flip pancakes and really mess up in the kitchen. And that's what Ed does. So anyway, let's start this song here. Great song. So we're going clean here. No need for any capo on this. Let's go over the chords. So first we have the D. Alright, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the next chord, that's the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. B minor, so that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the second fret from the A string down. That means 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the G next there, so that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, then we have a couple chords there in the bridge, and the only new chord for this bridge will be the E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. All right. So there we have the different chords for this song. So before we look into the different parts and chords and progressions and like that, we need to learn the strumming pattern. So grab the D, that's the first chord. And one string around will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. But we need to split this into 2 different parts. So the full strumming will be like this. And the first part will be down, up, down, up. Okay, so very easy. That's part 1. And then part 2 starts with a clap and then goes up, down, up. That's a part 2. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. All right, so that's one round, and a couple of rounds to get the rhythm for it. Sounds like this. Alright, so let's take a look at the verse play now. The first and second verse, all verses here will be played in the same way. So we have a chord progression that goes D, A, B minor, and G. That chord progression you're going to play for 4 rounds, and you're going to play 1 strumming round, 1 full per chord. So D, A, B minor, G, 1 strumming, and you do that for 4 rounds. Sounds like this. That was 2 rounds. You play for another 2 rounds there, so that will be 4 total. That is verse play. Then we have the pre-chorus. All right, so we'll use the same strumming pattern, but this is where we need to split the strumming pattern into 2 different parts. We'll come to that, but it starts with G, 1 full, then D, 1 full, and A, 1 full. And now comes the B minor, just part 1, the down, up, down, up. Then you go to A and play the same there, part 1, down, up. And then you finish off with G, 1 full, D, 1 full, and A, 2 full strum rounds. So that is a long pre-chorus, but you play for only this one and only round. So to summarize, G1, D1, A1, then B minor part 1, A part 1, then G1, D1, A2. So let's go. That is how you handle the pre-choruses, both in the same way. All right, and then we have the choruses. And you know what's great about that? They're played in the same very way as the verse. So you go back to D, A, B minor, G, and that is played in the same way as the verse play. After these choruses, we have instrumental parts played, and you're gonna continue with one round of the verse play. Okay, so nothing changes after the choruses since they are also played in the same way. There's just an extra round of D, A, B minor, and G. Then we'll come to this bridge part. It's about 2 minutes and 35 seconds into the song, and it's played after the second instrumental parts. So now is when you're gonna use the E. So the chord progression will be E1, G1, D1, and A1. That chord progression you play for 4 rounds. I'm gonna give you 2, and it sounds like this. Just because I'm generous. The 4th, it's yours, and that is the bridge part. Then comes the final outro. It will play the verse play, which is played a lot here in the song, for 3 another rounds, and that is how Ed Sheeran's Dusty ends. So pretty easy song actually, easy chords. You follow the same strumming pattern there. So yeah, great song to practice strumming and even the chords as well. So thank you for watching, guys. If it was helpful, please thumb up. And yeah, that's for now when it comes to Ed Sheeran. He will certainly be back. And you, Ed, if you're watching this, if I said anything wrong, please leave me a comment. I will appreciate that. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.